Hey everyone, Kevin with Spectora here. Today we're going to talk about locations. This is a hotly debated topic, always a source of debate among inspectors in terms of room by room versus system by system. That's a topic we can cover on another video, but today we're going to show you how to simply add locations, modify them, where they show up, and how they look in the report. So first you'll want to jump into settings and locations. So here you'll notice there's a couple different groups that just show you different locations. So you can just simply type one in here and hit enter to add that, or you can click on the X's to delete them. They're meant to be in a flow of what you would typically use, like first floor north dining room, to give a location. You can obviously customize these however you want and see them show up in the mobile app after you do that. So they look like this in the mobile app when you're selecting a location, whether it's an informational comment or a defect. And then they also populate on the report in the cards, as you'll see here. You'll also see them in the report writer here. One big point in favor of using locations is not having to create multiple sections and items for the same defect. So say you have a failed seal on multiple windows throughout a house, you're not having to label this defect in master bedroom, guest bedroom, basement. Now you're just calling out that defect and tagging multiple locations with it. So you can see where that saves you a ton of time for the room by room guys, or the guys that want to have different rooms with different defects within them. Now you're just labeling it with locations and you can see it clearly on the report. So it does make your report shorter, more digestible, and just easier to read from a consumer and agent perspective. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions on locations, on how to use them, feel free to reach out. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. We'll be putting out videos every week from here going forward to help you guys out. Thanks for watching.